away.
Yo, Danny, them don't know see we evil, innit? Sick.
Yeah.
Wicked. Yo, TriniBad.
Hey, happy life. Come in, Mello, bro, boy.
Ready when you're ready, done. Dark enough, all when you see me run. Cause you know me trigger happy, me not take it on.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Now, I'm telling you, once we reach 10k subscribers, and 15k and some. You see me, I say, we are give back in. So right now, we have some young artists. We have 2 young artists. I guess the 2 of them are from Trinidad. And if you never know, I'm not going to tell you on YouTube how I get them artists for react to them thing. All more I'm telling you, say, yo, follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs to know anything I'm going to do on my channel. You see me, I say, yeah. Anyways, people, so we have 2 artists, right? Trinidad, 2 upcoming artists. That's how we're going to do. You're Boston, so I have 2 upcoming artists from Trinidad. So if you come from Jamaica, you come from Guyana, anywhere in the world you come from and you're upcoming artists, go on Instagram, something over there for Uno. Anyways, for the viewers, them people. So for Uno, this is for you guys to tell me which one of them artists here Uno feel say song bad. And don't say me, you know, every song bad. I not comparing 2 artists, no clash thing. You see me, I say, I just give them a 2, I react to 2 of them in a 1 video. You see me, I say, I don't tell me, say, yo, which one of them want to see next year, gonna be the biggest thing next year. You see me, I say, comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post, and let's get straight to the reaction video right now. We have Avalanche. I say my name Fade or whatever. I don't remember the song. Avalanche though. The song there up on the screen somewhere. You see me, I say, I'm looking at the phone. Because I go and I say, I can't even because a woman just look on the bum buckle bell thing, dog. You see me, I say, dog. I go and I can't so a woman just look on the thing, dog. His name Fade Away, dog, by Avalanche. Fade Away.
Yo, Danny, them don't know see we evil, innit? Sick.
Yeah.
Wicked. Yo, TriniBad. Central City. 868.
Because the bad place, them I say this song bad. They only youth.
When it comes to this man of the evilest, Glock 17 with a rubber grip.
Yeah.
Full camouflage with a black knapsack.
What them know about that?
And it full of clip ready for complete a mission with extra ammunition. Knock it in the head just like steel pan. From them this the tan.
Hold on. Dogs, I'm ready for complete a mission. Like bomb buckle, like their head like steel pan. Lyrics are, go on you, go on.
From them this the dan, them this the wrong man. Could that catch you in a traffic? Bumbo hole, we gonna make your life end fucking tragic. 1 headshot, boom, disappear like magic. 1 shot, boom, disappear like magic.
What?
Way up in a Almera, when the wind down, you see the 9mm. Pussy try run, but the copper coming faster. Train on your box and you're gonna meet the father.
Anything bad, but not like that.
Take disrespect. Come in never see a man skin with tough like iron. The song dance if you roll like a lion. Send boy brain a bumbo clad Zion.
What?
357 a fit on them up.
Yeah.
Gas pan light and a bun them
yeah.
up. So the chopper who me have just a cut them
yeah.
up. Like a damn meat shop, like a damn meat shop. Fade away. Them boy them fi
fade away.
Fade away. Them boy them fi fade away. Fade away. Them boy them fi fade away. Fade away.
Bad. Alright, go on now, you.
From me born me know me wicked, evil and twisted. Ask me own brother. Even if I him violate blood, I run like water in the river. Them know me a killer. Man, just a cool like stone. Them better left me alone as the dark side rise. Catch him in the night and give them a surprise.
Oh, clip. Alright. We know your body. If you calm down, you can't come take over the whole video for yourself. Our next artist, people. Is the message? The one is a female. It's unfair from put to a female that is a man who don't know her. I could say she bad no. You see me and say she name Lasha, that's what she name. No, Mello. The song name Mello, people. It name Ready by Mello. You know what you expect from us again, people. You see me and say we're gonna say about man do hey, happy life. Come in, Mello, bro boy.
Ready when you're ready, done. Dark enough, all when you see me run. Cause you know me trigger happy, me not take it on. Go make your mother all when your blood run. Nah, ready when you're ready, done.
Yeah.
Dark enough, all when you see me run.
Steady flow.
Alright. Go make your mother all when your blood run. The rifle of us, shot to your head is a must. bullet you go get non-stop.
Alright then.
And you feel it, all of that 6 feet. That goes on your one shot.
Yeah.
Me not really care, me not trust people.
Hold on. Yeah, deal with it, mama. Yeah, deal with it. I read back in here, son, and see what you did. Go on now, mama.
Me not really care, me not trust people. Fuck a fake friend, them too deceitful.
Yeah.
Guns them a bust, cause them too evil. Guns them a bust, cause them too evil.
Deal with it.
Ready when you're ready, done. Dark enough, all when you see me run.
She been running already.
Me not take it on. Go make your mother all when your blood run.
I don't know about that.
Nah, ready when you're ready, done. Dark enough, all when you see me run. Cause you know me trigger happy, me not take it on. Go make your mother all when your blood run. See me talk to a top non-stoppy. M16 pon your chest, toppy, goose. Circle them out.
She get it.
Me go murder your friend.
Got it.
Me not really care, me not trust people.
TriniBad make sure some support to the young artists them. That matter on our upcoming artists them. They me.
Ready when you're ready, done. Dark enough, all when you see me run. Cause you know me trigger happy, me not take it on.
Run go watch her, go watch her that thing and make me know. Is it best? Now, wanna tell me. So based on them, you see them video clean, well edited in the dog, well everything produced right way in the dog. They just need the audience as to realizing that they must need the viewers them to come support them thing in the dog. That's all I need right now in the dog. You know me? Them video them bad, they edit everything good. Them have instrumental like all the big artists them are Trinidad depend. They say them just need the people them behind them. So no go over there, go support them thing dog, go help them grow and be number one in Trinidad. You see me I say, yeah man. Next week, we have two more artists next week. I'm going to do the same thing again. You know what I say? Big up on yourself. Thanks for the support as usual. And so, no for do now. Go support the artists them too. You know what I say? Yeah, man. I'm out.